I know I've not posted in a while, but I've been really busy. And one of the things that I'm actually doing today, the day that this is uploaded, is I'm working on this stupid Taurus again. So I drove it to Nebraska. I went and got my girlfriend. She's currently here. But on the way home, I accidentally overheated this. The coolant in it turned to slush, therefore overheated it and screwed it up. So I done a video, kind of, I guess, of replacing the head gaskets on this. Well, that didn't fix it, because I think that rear head or the cylinder lining has a crack in it, making it run bad. So instead of taking the risk on taking these heads back off and wasting another set of head gaskets, I bought another Taurus, a 1999 Ford Taurus, and I got the engine out of it, along with a good transmission. Now, that engine has 200,000+ miles on it. But this car only has 148,000, so I'll be putting a higher mileage engine in it, but I think it'll be worth it in the long run. Plus, I got the converters off of it as well. So that's like $300 worth of converters, but I'm not going to sell them. I'm going to put them on here. This actually has no converters on it. I had them bypassed. I cut them out back when this engine got locked up, the original engine. And, well, I, of course, didn't get any whenever I got this engine out of the junkyard. It was my mistake that the engine screwed up. The engine was fine other than that. It made it up there. But it got a little warm on the way home. You know, I really didn't run it that long when it overheated, so I didn't think I'd messed it up, but I don't know. It wasn't right, and it still isn't right, so I'm tearing it down right now to pull the subframe back out of it to put that engine in it. I'll, of course, use the low-mileage trans, so we'll be doing that. But other than that, the car's been running ran fantastic all the way up there. I mean, it made it all the way there and back, even though the engine screwed up. But I've put a few miles on it. When I got it, it had 130-something thousand on it, and now it has 148,000. I did an oil change last on it. The oil in it's still super clean. So probably when I put that engine in this, before I put new oil in it, I'll run this in it for a while, along with my oil filter that's on here. Try to clean up that engine some. I used a different oil pan on this one. I used the original oil pan. This oil pan was leaking. This one had a huge dent in the bottom. You can kind of see it there. But you can see it's all like sludgy in the bottom and stuff. But I got a new pan gasket on there. Done that like, I don't know, 2 weeks ago. I pulled that engine out of that other car. It's not very good. It's a pretty trashed car, but all I needed was the engine, and it runs. And also stuck the computer out of it, which is up in there, out of the other car. But that's enough rambling. I'm going to get working and hopefully have this engine, the other engine, in it this weekend and have it running again. We'll do another update whenever the body's off of it. Got to cut the exhaust too, because there's no way to get it off. On this one, I cut the flex pipe off. So I'll probably just weld in a pipe back onto that, where that flex pipe is, and hope that gasket's good there. But anyway, got a new set of tires for it too, so when we're done, if it runs good, we'll put a good set of tires on this and start driving this stupid thing again. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.